In this video, I want to show you how to arrange layers of your data sets in table of contents in order for you to have a well-organized map to give a better output. So let me add some data sets to demonstrate it for you to see. So let's say I want this data set. So click on add, click OK. Yes, here I am. I have this data set. For example, I have polygon, I have points, and I have line. If, for example, the map is like this, you can see that this polygon is covering other features or other layers. So in this case, if I'm to go ahead with this, especially for beginners, they find it very frustrating when one layer is covering others. So it is just a matter of arranging it logically so that the one that should be beneath should not be on top of another feature or layer. So for instance, if your map is like this, especially you beginners, what you need to do, the layer you want to be like your base map or to be beneath other features, just come to this table of contents. For example, this boundary, just bring it to the bottom. You can see that when I bring it to the bottom, all other features that are on top are showing on top here. Now, if you look at this, let me change the color of this. Let's say to blue. Click on OK. Then river. Let's give it this color of river. Yes. Now, if you look at it, a river should not cross road. Rather, road should cross a river. So if I zoom in, you can see that this river is crossing this road, which is wrong. It is road that should cross the river. So in that case, it's just a matter of bringing the river beneath the road. You can see, so that road is crossing the river, not the river crossing the road. Likewise, if we have buildings and you want to show contour lines on top of the building, it's just a matter of bringing the building below the contour lines. If you want the contour lines to be beneath the building, then in this table of contents, you bring the building on top. So any layers you want to be on top, you bring it here on top. While those that should show beneath, you bring it at the bottom of this table of contents. So I hope I've been able to answer questions in the heart of so many beginners who find it confusing which layer should be beneath or which one should be on top. Thank you for watching.